Affairs and Trade, Penny Wong, and your team members. Honorable Martin Morris from Kiribati, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Bikenibeu Primary School, I would like to greet and welcome you all to our lovely school. We are very honored to have you all with us this evening, and I wish you a sincere gratitude and appreciation indeed to the Government of Australia for its endless funding and support. Australia has contributed a lot to the development of our education here in Kiribati. The generosity of your government is a worthwhile investment to all the children of Kiribati. Before I end my speech, let me quote this to you. What we do for ourselves stays with us. What we do for others and the world remains and is immortal. I now bestow upon you all our Kiribati traditional blessings, garlanding with words of good luck. Thank you.
It is wonderful to be here. Let's see if I can say this. Bikenibeu. Well, I'm going to say Pri-Sch. That was a wonderful speech. Really it was. Congratulations. Another round of applause for really. I'm sure your family, but all of the community and your fellow students are very proud of you. And the wisdom at the end of what you said, that what we do for ourselves dies with us, but what we do for others is immortal, is a very, very wise thing to say. I'm going to try and talk briefly about something else that is wise. I'm the Australian Foreign Minister, which is a great privilege. And I'm very honoured to be here with your Minister and other dignitaries from the governments of Kiribati and the Ministry, but also from Australia. But I wasn't born in Australia. I was born in a little town in Malaysia. And also an island. I went from a little island to a big island. Australia's a big island. And I remember one thing my father used to say to me, because he grew up in a very poor family. And he always said this. Can you listen? Everybody listening? They can take everything away from you, but they can never take your education. Because your education is not you. So I know sometimes school, sometimes fun, sometimes not so fun. Sometimes easy, sometimes really hard. Sometimes difficult. But remember, when you are learning here, you're making yourself richer inside, stronger inside. Okay? And it stays with you forever. So, we understand that as the Australian government. So, you are one of 26 schools that we either built or rebuilt, and by the end of the year it'll be 28. And we are doing that because we believe in the power of education. And so does your community, so does your family, and so does your government. It's part of the 2020 vision. I wish I could spend more time with you here. But thank you very much for waiting for me, and thank you very much for the welcome, and thank you very much for listening to me. And good luck, and when I come back next time, I'm going to make sure you check in with your teachers, make sure you're studying hard. Thank you very much.